Want to join Little Red Book without exposing your personal phone number? Little Red Book offers amazing lifestyle and beauty content, but requires phone verification. Many users worry about privacy risks when sharing personal numbers with international platforms. Concerns about spam, data security, and privacy are completely valid. That's where MobileSMS.io comes in, providing real SIM-based burner numbers. We offer genuine phone numbers from over 100 countries that platforms trust. Unlike VoIP numbers that get rejected, our real SIM-based numbers work reliably. Compatible with over 1,200 platforms worldwide, including Little Red Book. Step 1. Sign up on MobileSMS.io. It's quick and respects your privacy. Step 2. Add credits using your preferred payment method. Transparent pricing, no hidden fees. Step 3. Select your preferred country and choose Little Red Book number. The system instantly generates your dedicated burner number. Step 4. Enter your MobileSMS.io number when Little Red Book requests verification. Your verification code appears instantly in the MobileSMS.io dashboard. Enter the code and you're in. Full access while keeping your personal number private. Track all your verifications in one secure dashboard. For frequent users, long-term rentals provide consistent access and better value. Why risk your personal data when there's a secure, affordable solution? Visit MobileSMS.io today and join thousands who've taken control of their digital privacy. Start exploring Little Red Book safely.